Unleash imagination with MindSprout Dino Blaster, kid-friendly rocket launchers for epic adventures. And if you want to know more about this product, you're gonna find it in the description below. Fun dinosaur-themed rocket action. Run, jump, launch. Kids will have a blast, stomping the volcano launcher and blasting dinosaur rockets up to 100 feet high. 100% kid-powered launches and dinosaur fun. Safe for ages 3 and up. And they have unlimited outdoor or indoor fun. Kids will release all that energy by running and jumping for hours. And this awesome set includes fully assembled T-Rex, pterodactyl, and triceratops rockets. And they have the Dino Blaster rockets come fully assembled and are made with soft foam heads, and they are easy assembly and storage. Dino Blaster are strong, safe, and durable, built to last. And they have the STEM learning, engaging their minds and learn about science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.